In today's video, I'm going to teach you use your phone for audio in a Microsoft Teams meeting. We'll cover 2 reliable ways to bring your phone into the mix: having Teams call you, or dialing in yourself. Before we start, a quick note. These options only appear if the meeting organizer's Microsoft 365 plan includes audio conferencing. If you don't see them, reach out to the organizer to confirm that feature is enabled. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's begin with the Call Me option, which is great when you want the visuals and screen sharing on your computer, but prefer the stability of a phone line for audio. When you click Join for a meeting, you'll land on the pre-join screen. Here, select Phone Audio. Depending on your layout, you might first click More Join options and then choose Phone Audio. Type your phone number, including the area code, and select Call Me. Your phone will ring. Answer it and follow the voice prompts to connect. Teams automatically mutes your computer's microphone and speakers so you don't get echo or feedback. A helpful tip here: make sure you're somewhere with a stable cellular signal, and keep your phone volume comfortable so you can hear clearly without holding it right to your ear for long stretches. If you're already in a meeting using your computer's audio and something goes wrong, maybe your headset dies or your network is choppy, you can switch mid-meeting. Open the meeting controls, select More Options, and look for Switch Audio to Phone or Call Me Back. Enter your phone number, follow the prompts, and your audio will move to your phone while your computer stays connected for video and content. Now let's look at dialing in manually. This method uses a standard phone call and keeps audio completely separate from the Teams app. Open your meeting invitation in your email or Teams calendar and find the dial-in details. You'll see a phone number, sometimes a link to find a local number, and the conference ID. From your phone, dial one of the listed numbers. When the automated voice asks for it, enter the conference ID followed by the pound key. Once you're connected, you can use your phone's keypad for common controls. For example, press *6 to mute or unmute yourself, and *5 to raise or lower your hand. It's a good habit to stay muted when you're not speaking, especially if you're in a noisy environment. That's it. Use Call Me to keep video on your computer and audio on your phone, or dial in manually when you want a straightforward phone-only connection. Test it once before an important meeting, and you'll be ready to go. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.